In this video, I will tell you how to fix shoe insole those have started slipping inside the shoes. This video is with the thermal insole, but this is pretty much applicable to every kind of shoe insole. So all we need for this is a glue gun. I have got this and this is preheated now. And what I'm gonna do is I will be just putting some glue starting from here, and I will try to make a zigzag pattern. At few places. So all I'm doing is now I'm just making zigzags. And I'm doing that in moderation, not too much. So I'll just match this up and I will do the same for what I have done for this one. Similarly for this, the starting here. It will be good if you match both of these. So now horizontally it is done. Similarly, I will do some for the vertical one. So again, I will start here and just go zigzag. Similarly on this side. So when it is done, it may look like a bit messed up, but this will certainly do the trick. So just allow it to rest and you are good to go inside the shoes.